Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Urdu Lovers. Today we will learn the third lesson of Urdu language, the shapes of Urdu alphabets. So let's start. We have three shapes and position of Urdu alphabets: beginning, middle, and the ending. First of all, alif, ab, like this. In the middle, alif comes with connector like baba, this one and this one. In the ending, alif also come with connector, the same example of baba. And the second is alif madda, like amna. This one, it has no middle and ending position. Be. In the beginning, it has this shape like baji. This one, in the middle, be comes with two connectors like bulbul. This one, and in the ending, sometimes it's come same shape, sometimes it comes with connector like bulb. This one, sometimes it comes like this one. And shapes, pay, the beginning position, papar, like this. In the middle position with two connectors, and the ending position with one connector and sometimes without connectors like flip with connector, bab without connector. The beginning position and the middle position with two connectors and the ending position sometimes with one connector and sometimes without connector. Te, same beginning position, middle position with two connector and the ending position with one connector and sometime without connector like tat, this one, and bullet, this one with connector. Say the same starting position, salis, this one, and the same middle position with two connectors, and in the ending it always comes with connector. The same example like this, salis, it the ending position. Jim, the beginning position like Jamal, this one, the beginning position and the middle position with two connectors and the ending position with one connector like knowledge, this one, J, the same beginning position. Cha, 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 this one, and the middle position with 2 connector, and the ending position with 1 connector. Hey, same beginning position, same middle position with 2 connectors, and same ending position with 1 connector. Like Saleh, this one. Khe, same middle position, beginning position, like Khalid, this one, the same middle position with 2 connector, and same ending position with 1 connector. Dal, same beginning position like Darakht, this one, same middle position like Idara, this one, and same ending position. Sometimes it comes with connector like Khalid, this one, and sometimes it comes without connector like Dad, this one. Dal, same beginning position, same middle position like Adda, this one, and same ending position. Zal, it always comes same position. Zal, Zal, and Zal. Re, the same beginning position. Rasta, like this. Some in the middle, sometimes it comes same, and sometimes it comes with connector like Arib, this one without connector, and Barabar, this one with connector. And in the endings also sometimes it comes same, and sometimes it's come with connector. Array, it has no beginning position. In the middle it comes same like Aru, this one, and in the ending it also same like R. Z, it always comes same. Sometimes in the middle it comes same, and sometimes it comes with connector. In the ending it also remains same. Say, same shape like Salabari, like this, and in the middle it also remains same like Asda, this one, and it has no ending shape. Seen, in the beginning it has this shape like Sab, this one, and in the beginning it has 2 connectors. In the ending it comes with connector and sometimes without connector like Sas, without connector, and bounce with connector. Sheen, the same beginning shape and same middle shape with two connector and same ending shape, sometime with connectors and sometime without connector. Swat, in the beginning it has this shape, and the middle it comes with two connectors, and in the ending sometimes it comes with connector and sometimes it comes without connector. Zwat, same shapes like swat, in the beginning, in the middle with two connectors, and in the ending same, sometimes with connector and sometimes without connectors. Toy, it's remains same in the beginning, and in the middle it comes with connector of both sides, and in the ending it comes with one connector and sometimes without connector. Zoe, same like toy, the beginning shape, the middle shape, and the ending shape. And the beginning shape, in the middle with two connector, in the ending with one connector and sometime without connector. When, same like with an, beginning shape, middle shape, and the ending sometime with connector and sometimes without connector. Fe, the beginning shape, in the middle with two connectors, in the ending sometime with connector and sometime without connector. Or same like with fe, the beginning shape, the middle shape with two connectors, and in the end sometime with one connector and sometime without connector. Calf, the beginning shape, in the middle with two connector, in the end sometime with one connector and sometime without connector. Gav, same like with calf, beginning shape, the middle shape with two connector, in the end sometime with one connector and sometime without connector. Lam, the beginning shape, the middle shape with two connector, in the end sometime with one connector and sometimes without connector. Meme, the beginning shape, sometimes we write it like this, the middle shape with two connector, in the end sometime with one connector and sometime without connector. Noon, the beginning shape, in the middle with two connector, in the end sometime with one connector and sometimes without connector. Noon Gunna, it has no beginning shape, no middle shape, it always comes in the end, sometime without connector and sometime with connector. Wow, it remains same in the beginning, in the middle with one connector and in the ending with one connector and sometime without connector. Hamza, it has no beginning shape, in the middle it comes same and in the ending also same. Hey, the beginning shape we write it like this, in the middle with two connector and in the ending we write it sometime like this and sometime like this or with a small curve like Makkah like this and Makkah like this. Hey, it has no beginning shape, no middle shape, it always come in the end. Chotiye, it has beginning shape like this, in the middle with two connector, in the end like this with one connector and sometimes without connector. Badiye, it has no beginning shape, no middle shape, it always come in the end without connector.